back with another video. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a hair review on this hair I have in right now. This is the first ever hair review I've ever done, so I'm like kind of nervous that like I'm gonna miss out on any points or anything. So if I do forget any points or anything about the hair that you guys want to know, check the description box because I have all the info about the hair and where I got it from in the description box. And also, if that doesn't answer your question, you can just leave me a comment down below about the hair and the hair company, and I can just answer back to you guys in the comments. Before we jump into the video, just make sure to subscribe if you're still not yet subscribed to my channel, and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into the video. This hair I have here is from Amazon Nadula hair. This is some nice hair, like guys, this is actually quality hair. Like, I'm not just saying that. Like, run your hair, okay, you can't run your hair through this hair, but like so soft and no shedding. Like, I haven't had any shedding or barely any shedding, and that's like a big thing for me. This hair, that's not a problem with it at all. I'll just give you guys a bit of info on this hair specifically. This is 12 inches. They do have anywhere from like 8 inches to 24 inches available, but I decided to go with 12 inches. And this is the water wave hair. They also have like a bunch of other different curl patterns and like natural straight and everything like that if you guys want. This hair is in the color natural black. That's pretty much the color I get for like all my hair because I just prefer dark hair. I know that other video I did have lighter hair, but like that's the only time I've had like lighter hair. I usually stick to like dark hair because I just feel like it suits me better. Yeah, this is a natural black. You can dye the hair, but I'm definitely not going to be dyeing the hair, but like you can, this is hair that you can dye. The cap size of the hair, it was the average cap size. They didn't have any other options like when I was ordering for like another size, but they do have like adjustable straps and like clips and everything, so that's good. I will say, like, when I got the hair, I have a big head. Like, as you guys can see, I have a huge head, if you guys didn't already notice. So when I opened the hair and I saw the size of the cap, I was kind of very nervous. I was like, oh my god, this is not gonna fit. I just like knew, I was like, oh my god, this isn't gonna fit, it's gonna fit. And surprisingly, it actually fits very nicely. Like, full all the way around, it fits, not tight at all, not uncomfortable at all. In addition to that, the hair is just like really soft, as I said, and like no shedding up, whatever. Oh, I did not mention, but yeah, this is a lace front. The hair came already like bleach knots and everything like that, so it was like already made. I bought this wig like already made. It wasn't bundles or anything like that. Yeah, it is lace front. I'm gonna get this hair like actually properly installed next week because I just put it in myself and I'm not like the best with hair, to be honest. So I want to try to get it installed by my hairdresser like when I go home for reading week next week. You can like really wet the hair to like keep in those like water waves, which is what I've been doing, and I just feel like it looks very like, you know, I don't know, it's just so nice. I really like this hair like a lot. Or you can also like comb it out to make it more puffy, which I did do to an extent. Like with this side, as you can see, it's like pretty, it's like kind of puffy, but like I just wouldn't do that all the way around because I feel like it'll get frizzy, and especially when it's short, it's gonna just look like a mess. But yeah. Also, hey, sorry if the camera shifted a bit, it just like fell over. But also, this is the packaging the hair came in this box. Really cute. In the back, it does have like some tips and like frequently asked questions about hair and stuff. Also, the hair came with a pair of lashes, which I'm actually wearing right now. And usually when I get lashes with hair, they're usually like pretty bad quality lashes, and I like never wear them and I just throw them away. But these ones I actually like, and I'm wearing them right now, and I think they look pretty nice. Also, the hair didn't just come with that. It came with a hairnet type thing. I don't know what it's called, but I've been using it with my hair. And basically, you just put your hands in it, put it around your head, done. It didn't come like this. It was like in a package. It's just like out of the package because I've been using it. Overall, I would say really good hair, and I definitely would recommend you guys to get it. As I said before, all their information is linked in the description box below. Let me know how you guys feel about like me with short hair and short curly hair specifically, because this is like a complete look that I've never ever done before. So like let me know what you guys think of it. Other than that, I think I've touched upon everything. If I didn't, just comment down below, as I said. And as I said, all of Amazon Nadula's hair information is going to be linked in the description box below. And in addition to that, there is a discount code for you guys if you guys are purchasing any hair with them, and I'll put it on the screen right now, and I'll put that also in the description box for you guys so you can get some money off when you're making any purchases. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you guys thought of the video. Also, leave any suggestions what you guys think I should do for my next video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.